Okay, so this is going to be the evaluation for the NPM Node Packet Management evaluation. And so what we're going to do is we're going to talk about it a little bit, and then I'll show you some examples. So this is the installation for Node. You need to download and install for whatever system you have. And then once you have that installed, you can come over here and you can type in npm or node. And you can see that you have your version of Node or your version of NPM. So what NPM is, Node Packet Management, essentially you can download code that has been written for different things to use in your project. So for example is you could download or install like a module to help you build modules, or you can download or you can install like jQuery or Bootstrap, and that's what I'm going to be doing right now to show you how you can just install these packages instead of having to use the CDIs to connect to the data, and you can just install with these packages. So first off, what we're going to do is you need to do npm init, and you can do dash yes dash dash yes, and this will automatically set up your package.json file. If you don't hit dash dash yes, it's going to ask you a few questions that you're going to have to go through. It's going to be to name a couple of things so that you know what's going on in your package.json. It'll give you your license and author. It'll ask you for that. And then normally the dependencies will be blank. So to install a module, what you want to do is you want to do npm install. And then I already have Bootstrap and jQuery. So what we'll do is we'll just say Bootstrap, and then you're going to do dash dash save. This dash dash save will put the um, name of the dependency into your package.json, which will be right here. And essentially, a package.json is so if you do npm install, once you package your project and somebody else opens it up, it'll install these dependencies. And this dependency list is what will tell the software once they're installing it what needs to be installed. You can also do, if you want to do dev dependencies, you can say dash dev, and then this will put it under dev dependencies. Now there's also, you can install these globally or you can install these locally. To do a global install, you would do dash G, and essentially that'll install it over your whole machine, not just in this specific project. And then if you want to uninstall, we do npm uninstall, and then one second here, delete this stuff here. Bootstrap, and then you also have to include this dash dash save, so it'll remove it from the dependencies. And for here, we're going to uninstall it from the dev dependencies. Okay, and see, now you see that it's not there, and let's go ahead and reinstall it. So that it's part of our dependencies again. Okay, so now you can see that we have jQuery and we have Bootstrap here. Sorry. And these are part of our dependencies. I showed you how you can add dev dependencies. One of those that you could do for dev dependencies is like Lodash. And now, let's see. So now we have our dependencies, and I'm going to show you how we can use these in a project. So in here we have our link. This is the Bootstrap CSS node module. As you can see, it's right here. These are the modules that's inside node modules. And then also the jQuery, which we have a script with our tag, with our link to the jQuery inside the node modules. And you remember, like I said, instead of using the is it CDN for connecting, instead you're using these in the minifiles. Instead, you're using the node modules. Okay. I showed how to remove packages with the uninstall. Also, if you want to uninstall something globally, you would do the same thing. You just do -G with the uninstall, and that would uninstall something that would be a global dependency. Now, to update packages, you want to get into your npm, into your project, and then you could do npm update. And this will update all your packages that need to be updated. And you can also check that by doing npm outdated. And that will show you any packages. If there is something outdated, it'll pop up here. If not, then it will be blank. Now to audit, like you can see, I have some vulnerabilities. So we would do npm audit, and this will tell you what severity high, what's happening. And then to fix that, we just want to do npm audit fix. And then for using it in a project, I was showing you an example of this. So once this is in the project, it's using the jQuery, it's using the Bootstrap, so you can tell the difference in the style. Let's refresh. Hello world, switch to Spanish, hola mundo. So, and that's essentially how you would use npm inside of a project, install dependencies, and the main thing is to make sure you have this package.json, because this is going to tell everybody when they do the npm install what dependencies are needed for the project. And that's it. Thank you.